Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today we are going to be making like a cottage cheese mixture to put over your toast. I absolutely love cottage cheese, and I know it's kind of like an acquired taste, but I really encourage you to try this one because it's got so much flavor. It's got eggs and just wonderful flavor, and I'm so excited to share it with you. I just put it over some toast that I've obviously toasted, and maybe a little bit of extra dill in there, and I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys give it a try. Like I said, I know cottage cheese is kind of an acquired taste, so I really hope you guys give it a try, make a little portion of it and see what you think, or take the idea and kind of make it your own and add in whatever you want, take out whatever you want, and enjoy it that way.